The old typewriter sat in the corner of my new apartment, a relic from a previous tenant. Its keys were stiff, the ribbon long dried, but one night, as rain battered the window, it clacked to life on its own. Alone, I watched in disbelief as it typed a single line: "You will die at midnight." My laughter was forced, hollow, trying to dismiss it as a prank or a trick of the storm. Midnight was still an hour away. I unplugged the machine, but it continued, keys hammering relentlessly. "You cannot run." Panic rose in my chest. I tried to leave, but the door was jammed. The windows sealed tight as if the room itself had become a trap. The typewriter rattled again. "He is here." My breath caught in my throat. Footsteps echoed from the hallway, slow and heavy, growing closer with each thud. I pounded on the walls, desperate for help, but my neighbor's lights were dark, silence pressing in. The typewriter's carriage dinged one last time. Now. The footsteps stopped just outside my door. The knob turned slowly, creaking open. I grabbed a lamp, heart hammering, but the door swung wide to reveal a shadow tall and featureless, its hand reaching out. Cold fingers closed around my throat, squeezing the air from my lungs. My vision blurred and faded. The last sound I heard was the typewriter's relentless clack, spelling out my name in cold, final letters.